Another Samsung product for my Galaxy S tab. This is a Bluetooth keyboard, ultra slim and light, high design unit with Galaxy Tab S. So I see this for not so long time ago, for some weeks ago. I see this first time, and it's exactly what I need for my tab. First of all is protection for tab, but second you have a full keyboard, so it would be like a mini computer. Fantastic. So good, very very good. Yes. Okay, take a open up this. Here it's sealed here. No. Yes. Here it comes. Like this. Yes. See here, looks like this. Very nice. Good protection for Samsung. Bronze. Very nice. Very nice, and it's extremely thick user manual. Oh my god. So many languages. It's not necessary. Maybe. Yeah, you use you upload battery on this keyboard. It's a 200 milliampere battery. It takes 2 hours to load up, and you can use it for about 120 hours. Oh my god. It was a little bit much, I think, but okay. We'll see. Follow instruction, blah blah blah. Yeah, okay. I will begin to load up and come back with a video when I have this together, when I have binned it. So, Bluetooth keyboard for Samsung Galaxy Tab S.